Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. I'm Bags Passionate. Welcome to my channel. Today's video will be about my return of experience concerning my Kipling Elysia bag. Spoiler, I love it. And I will also do a bag switch because I've got an unboxing to show you too. So let's go. I got my Kipling Elysia bag for some months now. I will link the unboxing video concerning this bag if you want to know its story and all information concerning its dimension and so on. And I can already tell you I use it a lot. It's a good bag. It's a good bag. It's a shoulder bag. As you can see, you've got two long shoulder top handle and you can wear it very easily. It's really comfy. I love the Kipling handles. You wear it on your shoulder or just like this in your hand. They are super comfortable. And this is a great point, seriously. I love the material. It's very soft, but really strong. The resistance is really good. I love it. So this is the Kipling Elysia bag in the gray color. And to be honest, I do not have a bunch of gray color bag in my collection. But this one, it's a lovely shade of gray and it passed with several of my outfits. And I am really happy because I'm not tend to... When I see a gray bag, most of the time they are not my favorite. But this one, this shade, caught my eyes and I do not regret. So the color is also a good point because when you have a color that you are not used to wear, most of the time the bags stay on your shelf, but this one, no. So I am quite happy. I got things in my bag because I use it today, so I'm going to show you what I got inside. It carries a bunch. That's great. It's a perfect everyday bag. The bags came also with a longer strap. I'm going to show it to you. I've got here behind like this, so it is removable and adjustable. Oh, by the way, this is silver hardware and I love silver hardware, but to be honest, I don't use it. I bought this bag especially because it was a long handle one that I can carry on my shoulder. A bag of this size as a crossbody, it's too big for me, so I keep it, but I don't use it, to be honest. But I know a lot of persons love to carry it crossbody, and I can understand. It's also great to have a big crossbody bag, but I am not used to. Just make a round tour. So as you can see, you've got a big zipped pocket in front, and I use it for my key card, my key home, and so on. Then you've got, hope you can see, you've got a central zip with the main compartment, and you've got on each side, you've got also a compartment, and both of them got a button pressure, a snap button. And in this one, on one part I've got tissue because I am always carrying tissue. And on the other one, let me show you, I'm wearing contact lens, but sometimes I also carry with me glasses because you never know what can happen with your contact lens. So here is one of my glasses, and I think it's great I can put it there and it's okay just to have this pocket. Oh, behind you also have a zip pocket, very big, but to be honest, I don't use it. I use more the front one. It's easier for me, but I do think it's great to also have one behind. And in the central section, I carry all this because it's just so great. You've got one flap pocket here, you've got a tiny one here. My phone can fit inside, but if you have a bigger phone, let's be honest, you can fit inside. And you've got also a zipped pocket there. And most of the time inside, I put feminine product and so on. This time I have nothing. I just have, the document for the bag. But This time I put nothing. Let me show you. I got my big Longchamp Roseau Essential pouch. This is the last one I got in this gorgeous brown color. And inside I've got not all my pens, because you know I've got another one where I show you I've got a bunch of pens, color pencil and so on. This time I use, this is for office, you know. So I've got more serious pen and so on. I also have a tiny notebook, and I've got a ruler, and yes, I've got several things. So this one is for another purpose, my travel book, but I use it as a notebook, and I always present this to you because it's just great. I got 3 tiny notebooks, and each one got a purpose. It's really nice for me to have this organization. I've got my Longchamp compact wallet, and I've got my document for my car. Oh, and I got my coin purse. This one is my Longchamp Foulonnier, in the color exact is anemone. It's a purple one. And that's all. So as you can see, I've got a bunch of things, and I can put more. I can also put a bottle of water inside. I love this bag. So very practical, easy. I love the fact that you have extra pocket everywhere. For some days it's more convenient than my Longchamp Le Pliage bag, but maybe later I will do a comparison video like the backpack bag. I have realized a video, I will link it also. You will see what I'm talking about if you miss it. And I will do maybe a comparison video of this bag with my Longchamp Le Pliage. Sometimes it's good to have external pocket. It's easier. I love it. It's lightweight. Yes, it's really a good shoulder bag. I got mine with a sale reduction, so I'm really happy to have it. This bag, you can still have one on the Kipling website. This bag is still produced. Kipling website, in the outlet section, sometimes they put some color on sale, so have a look. You can maybe have it with a great bargain. So I told you that I got an unboxing to do, because at the very beginning, when I was looking for a shoulder bag from the Kipling brand, I told you that I was also interested in another bag. I was hesitating between 2 bags, and in fact when I have done my research, I saw a Kipling bag and I fell in love with it. But at that time, this bag was no more available, until some weeks before I found one on the VP website. This video is not sponsored, I'm just explaining you. And VP is a website that you can find in Europe, and brands are making some sale during several days, and it's not necessarily their last collection. Maybe sometimes it's very old collection, and you can find some item at very good price. They are brand new item, but it's old stock. And one day, Kipling on VP has done a sale, and I have found the bag. Yes, I have found the bag. So it was sent like me, like this. It's already open because, you know, I have to check if everything was correct, because if something bad happened, I have to return the item. So it's an unboxing, but I have already shown the bag inside and everything is okay, but let's say it's an unboxing. So I got, and you will be surprised, I got the Kipling Felix LU. Does someone know what LU mean? Does it have a meaning? In the pink, but the correct, I will tell you the correct color, in the pink color. Yes, I took a pink bag because I fell in love with this color. It's a lovely pink color. And here is the Felix bag from Kipling. It's also a shoulder bag with an extra long strap that enables you to carry it crossbody or also on your shoulder. But you also have the 2 top long handles. And look at this bag. Oh, I am in love with the color because depending on the light, it looks like a soft lilac color. So here it is, the Kipling Elysia, and the color is soft blush. I am in love. So this time, I will write the dimension of the bag. This time, the bag comes with an extra pocket, but with a button pressure like this. All the interior is white. And inside also, you've got this extra flap pocket inside and the pen pocket, as you can see. And on both sides of the bag, here and here, you've got external zipped pocket, which is great. Seriously, I already know I will put tissue inside. So, and it's the same here. And the bag is nearly the same construction as the Elysia. You've got 3 compartments. You've got the zipped one here in the middle. And on both sides, as you can see, you've got this big pocket. And this time you've got Velcro. We say Velcro in French. I don't know the word in English. I will write if I find the correct word. So this time it's like this. And on the other side, it's the same. And inside, so the biggest compartment. And this time here, you just have the zipped interior pocket here. And it's also silver hardware. And the interior is white. I know that a lot of people are not confident with a white interior bag. For me, it's not a problem because I'm using pouch and so on, so I am not afraid about stains and so. So here is the bag, and I love the design. I really love the design. I can also carry it easily on the shoulder. And look at it. Oh, it's gorgeous. And of course, I've got the plushy monkey. Look at it. And his name is Holly. I love its name, Holly. Look at it. Cuckoo. I love the style. The style of the Felix is more street vibe, urban vibe. The Elysia is more classical, I do think. Let me show you. And I'm not talking about the color, I'm just talking about the style. You see, this one is more streetwear, urban style, and this one is more, yes, it's more classical. But they are kind of similar bags, let's be honest. Oh, and I forgot, thanks for turning the bag. In the back, you also have a big, yes, really massive pocket behind with also a Velcro opening. I will learn the English word, my apologies. And here we are. And I got this bag at a crazy price. I paid, so the correct amount is 49,99 euro, well, 50 euro. And it was retailed at 73 euro. Surprisingly, this bag is now available on the French Kipling website in black at the moment at 100, nearly 5 euro. So I got it half price, and I am quite happy because I'm not a fan of pink bag, to be honest. I have pink bag in my collection, but pink is also like gray. It's not a color that I am crazy about. But this shade was a winner. Seriously, when I saw it, I already know I will take this off and I will not use it. Let's put things in my new bag. Let's have a bag switch. I do think I will have the same organization. So I will put my note here. I will place my big pouch, Longchamp pouch here. Oh yes, look at this space. Seriously. Look at this space. I will put my wallet and my document for my car. Yes, I can fit a bottle of water. Oh, my compass, everything's fit, and in this one I will place my glasses, and of course on the other one I will place my tissue. But look at the bag. Oh, I will take this off already. I take this off, I will not use it. And so, and of course in this one I will put my key and maybe my phone. Oh, I love a color. Here we are. I love the style, seriously. Oops, I don't close this one when I show it to you. And so here we are. Oh, I love the color, I love the style. Yes, very, very gorgeous one. Oh, and it's so comfortable. So I don't know if I will use it, to be honest, in this winter period, but I do think that, yes, in March, when the weather will be really bright and shiny here in Provence, I will use this pink bag, and later I will give you a return of experience. But I am really happy to have found it because I was really into it. And yes, I will make comparison with my Elysia bag because they are similar, but they have some detail. The front pocket, the Velcro pocket also. I will see which is maybe the best, but I am really happy to add it to my collection. I am really into Kipling since I got my Ziva. I do think they are nice bags. They are well made. The material is crazy. I still have my very first Kipling, which is quite old now. I will do a video concerning my Kipling collection to show it all to you. But yes, Kipling is making a big return in my bag collection. My friend, I will stop this video here, it's quite a long one. Please tell me in the comment below, do you have the Elysia or the Felix bag or another shoulder bag from Kipling that I don't know, because I tell you, Kipling make a return for me, but for a long time I haven't seen their collection. So if you have a bag, a shoulder bag, but I don't know the existence, please tell me your return of experience. Thanks for watching this video. Please support my channel if you love my content. You can boost the video, you can subscribe, and you can send me a comment or just an emoji. It helps a lot, so thank you in advance. Till the next video, take care. We see you soon. I love you. Bye bye.